A will is a legal document that allows you to specify how your assets will be distributed after you pass away. Everyone should have a will to ensure that their belongings and possessions go to the people they choose. Having a clear plan helps protect your loved ones and reduces confusion during a difficult time. A will is a written document that sets out your wishes for your assets after your death. It ensures that your property, money, and belongings are given to the people you want. The key purpose of a will is to make sure that your wishes are respected and to avoid possible arguments or confusion among family members. Having a will helps you decide who will receive your assets, such as money, property, and possessions. You can also appoint guardians to take care of your minor children. A will reduces legal delays and complications after your death and provides clear instructions for handling your estate. Many common misunderstandings about wills exist, such as only wealthy people need one or that verbal wills are valid. It is important to know that a written will properly signed and witnessed is required by law. Everyone who owns property or has family members depending on them should have a will. This includes people of all ages and financial situations. Important factors to consider include your age, family situation, ownership of property, and financial complexity. These all influence how essential it is to have a valid will. A will provides peace of mind by clearly outlining your wishes. It helps to prevent family conflicts and speeds up the legal process after your passing. By having a will, you ensure your loved ones are cared for according to your instructions, making the difficult time easier for them. To create a will, start by listing all your assets and deciding who should inherit them. Choose a trusted person as an executor who will manage your estate. You should also decide who will take care of your minor children if needed. Finally, write and sign the will following your local legal requirements. Legal formalities include having the will in writing, signing it, and having it witnessed by 2 adults. Make sure the will meets the laws of your jurisdiction to be valid. It is important to review and update your will regularly, especially after major life events like getting married, divorced, having children, or acquiring significant assets. Without a will, the state laws will decide how your assets are distributed upon death, which may not reflect your wishes and could lead to family disagreements. Taking the time to prepare a will protects your belongings and secures your family's future. It allows you to clearly communicate your wishes and make sure they are respected. Getting a will in place is one of the most important steps to protect what matters most.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.